Hello! My name is Yoshi and I finally decided to add my voice to the video. Since the video itself is so long, I will give you some background to it and I hope you won't be bored to death. First of all, I didn't plan to do it so early on my channel simply because it's so expensive and complicated and I don't have much experience with making video. I just got like 2 videos with Legos and I'm not fully happy how they look, so I'm gonna be trying new stuff. And I didn't plan to buy it because it's so expensive, but luckily for me, my other half just bought it for me because I was nagging her and joking around that she should buy it because I love motorcycles. And after a couple of days the delivery came and I was like asking her what is it, and she was just saying that it's a gift for her nephew. So yeah, I got it from her as a no occasion gift. Thank you very much, my love. Overall, the bike is extremely nicely built and designed. It's obviously very difficult because there is loads of parts on it and the bags just keep coming and coming at you. But it's amazing. It took me roughly 3 days to put it together, but 3 days as a full day. I was doing it more than 2 weeks, but because I was only doing it 2 hours a day, I don't have much more time after work. The details, purely brilliant. The little calipers on it and brake discs, even the little tanks for brake fluids. It got 3-speed gear system which is fully functioning, which I was amazed by. I was playing with it for like 15 or more minutes before I continued. The same with the engine itself. It's really detailed, as a Lego can be detailed. Obviously if it goes bigger then it's gonna be more detailed, but I don't think you need to go much bigger with that bike. It's already very complicated and awesome. Also, as a bonus for me, after I finished, I done some pictures, I put it on my desk, and my desk got a shelf above my monitor. Well, I've changed it now, but I had it. And I've put the bike over there. And one day I came from work, sat down, started watching some video, minding my own business, and suddenly the bike just literally, and I'm not kidding you, it drove off. It was on the smaller stand, not the podium one, the smaller one, the bike stand, and it just drove off that shelf and fell. Nothing got broken, just like a couple of parts disconnected. I put it back together and it was fine, but it was very strange. I was afraid, kind of like, what the hell is going on? This bike is haunted or something. I'm assuming it was on the edge of that shelf, that's why it kind of like overweighted. I don't know, maybe I moved the desk and it shaked it enough to to roll it off the shelf, but I'm not entirely sure what happened. I did not touch the desk when the bike just drove off. So yeah, ghosts and haunted bikes. I hope I didn't bore you, and I hope that form of video will be alright and won't be too long. If it's too long, obviously let me know. Hopefully you're not asleep, and if you manage to get to the end of the video, well, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time, or hear you next time more likely. And bye bye.
law.